Mario, are you okay? Why did you think catching a ride with a tornado wouldn't kill you? Oh, someone, call 911.
Maybe a mute child who has never seen battle of any kind isn't the best candidate to go on a giant adventure. Anyway, I'm gonna go lay eggs in his brain.
Ms. Peach, was it? Heard your last doctor told you to shove as many pills into you as possible to get rid of the viruses. That's incredibly dangerous and unethical. 1 pill every 8 hours, and that's it.
Hey guys! Ready for our next big adventure to— Oh, Jesus Christ, no!
What? I'm a hedgehog. Hedgehogs are known to eat their young. Sometimes. It's not weird. The only one who's weird is you for judging me.
Could you guys keep it down? Trying to lay an egg over here. You know, echidnas are one of the last mammal species that lay eggs. We're called monotremes.
You guys are disgusting. Now excuse me while I spray musky urine over here to mark my territory. Like a normal person.